In business today, everything's compressed, straight to the point, onto the point about the business. Let's move along. Let's get the details. Let's push this forward. Let's drive. Well, that's good. That's good. But often it's our ideas that we're propelling forward to others. We're projecting our suggestions to others. We're driving our thoughts to others and then wondering why they don't look so excited. They don't look so interested. Well, there's a simple reason for that. They think, well, okay, that's your idea. The thing with ideas is when you put them up, you get an instant room full of critics about what's wrong with it. Oh, we tried that, didn't work, we did that before. Oh, you got to change that, this won't. Skepticism, straight away, skepticism. Much better if you outline the context, a scenario, some background, and then people are listening to this thinking, well, in that case, this would be probably the thing to do. Well, that thing to do is probably the conclusion you've come to as well. But you set it up in such a way that the person arrives at that same point of view themselves, based on a logical construct of what you've outlined, because you've seen it in a certain context and you've come to a logical conclusion. Give them the same context, there's a high degree of chance they'll come to the same conclusion too. So you can get people to agree with you, but it doesn't sound like you pushing your idea down their throat. It's you outlining things and they come to the conclusion themselves and they say, well, actually, I think this would be the best idea. This is how you get agreement.